Hello, everyone. In the world of cybersecurity, we spend billions of dollars on firewalls, antivirus software, and complex encryption. But have you ever stopped to ask, what exactly are we trying to protect? In the industry, we call the prize a data asset. Think of it this way. If your company's network is a high-security bank, the servers and routers are the walls and the vault door. But the data assets are the gold bars and cash sitting inside. Without the assets, the bank is just an empty building. Today, we're going to dive deep into what constitutes a data asset, why they are the primary target for hackers, and how organizations manage them. Not every single byte of data on a computer is an asset. To be classified as a data asset, the information generally needs to meet three specific criteria. First is value. Does this data provide a competitive advantage? Is it necessary for the business to keep running? If the answer is yes, it has value. Second is ownership. The organization must have legal or functional control over it. And third is risk. This is the big one. If this data were leaked, altered, or deleted tomorrow, would the organization suffer? Would there be a lawsuit, a loss of reputation, or a financial crash? If the answer is yes, you are looking at a high-value data asset. Let's break these down into 5 main categories that you'll encounter in the field. Number 1, PII, or Personally Identifiable Information. This is anything that can identify a specific person, social security numbers, home addresses, or even biometric data like your fingerprints. This is the holy grail for identity thieves. Number 2, PHI, or Protected Health Information. This includes medical records and lab results. Because this data is so personal, it is protected by strict laws like HIPAA. Number 3, Intellectual Property, often called IP. This is a company's secret sauce. Imagine the source code for a major software company or the secret recipe for a famous soft drink. If a competitor gets this, the company could lose its entire market share overnight. Number 4, financial data. This isn't just credit card numbers. It includes bank statements, tax filings, and even quarterly earnings reports before they are released to the public. And finally, strategic data. These are the internal memos, marketing plans, and customer lists that keep a business one step ahead of the competition. So, how do cybersecurity professionals actually protect these assets? We use a specific life cycle. It starts with an inventory. You can't protect what you don't know you have. We identify where the data lives. Is it in the cloud, on an employee's phone, or on a server in the basement? Next is classification. We label the data. Some data is public, like a press release. Other data is restricted, like executive salaries. Once classified, we apply protection. This means using encryption so the data is unreadable to hackers and multi-factor authentication to ensure only the right people can see it. Finally, there is disposal. When data is no longer needed, it must be shredded digitally so it can never be recovered. The most important takeaway is this. Modern cybersecurity has shifted from network-centric to data-centric. In the past, we focused on the pipes. Today, we focus on the water. By understanding and prioritizing your data assets, you can build a security strategy that protects what matters most, even if the walls of the bank are breached. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cybersecurity.